Hi guys, welcome back to another Sunday Stata tip here on In Case of Econ Struggles. If there's a Stata tip you'd like to see, make sure to comment below. And if these Stata tips are helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. Today we are going to talk about toString or Destring. And basically what we are talking about is how to convert variables between numeric and string. So if I pull in this auto data using the same do file we've been using for our previous Stata struggles, then we can take a look at the data again, and we can see that in my colors, my color scheme, my string variables are yellow and my numbers are white. If you're using the light version of Stata where the background is white, then string variables are generally red and numeric variables are black. So let's say that for some reason, I wanted to turn this rep78 variable into a string. So I don't want it to be a number anymore. I want it to be a string. I can say something like toString rep78. And now I have two options. I can either generate a new variable or I can replace it. I don't really like to replace variables when I'm going back and forth just to make sure nothing wonky happened. So I'm going to say generate rep78 underscore str. And now if I go back into the data, you can see that I've got this rep78 string, which is exactly the same, but now it is yellow, indicating it is a string variable. So if I wanted to do that, I would now plug this into my do file, but we're going to do the other way as well. So let's say I wanted to destring it, and let's say now I want to replace the variable. I could say destring rep78, and now I'm going to say underscore string here. Now I'm going to say replace, and now I can look again back in the data, and I've taken this string variable back into a number, and it is exactly like, now I've taken this string variable back into numeric, and it looks exactly the same as our original rep78. So hopefully this Stata tip was helpful. Again, if there's a Stata tip you'd like to see, make sure to comment below. Otherwise, hit that like and subscribe button, and we will see you next week for another Sunday Stata tip.